Good evening. This is All India Radio, Kohima. I'm Jonas Yandan with Evening News. The headlines. Union Home Minister Amit Shah says centre will connect all capitals of northeastern states with railway and air connectivity by 2023-24. Prime Minister Narendra Modi says India has shown that it can face even the most difficult challenge by following the path of Buddha. Nagaland reports 124 fresh COVID-19 positive cases, increasing the total tally to 27,240. And India off to a great start at Tokyo Olympics. Mirabai Chanu clinches first silver in weightlifting. As the nationwide free COVID-19 vaccination campaign at government facilities for those above 18 years is going on, we advise our young listeners to get vaccinated and also to help others get vaccinated. We also advise our listeners not to lower their guard as COVID-19 remains a threat to our health. Please stay at home unless it is essential to go out and continue to follow these 3 simple steps. Wear a face mask, maintain 6 feet for social distancing, focus on hand and face hygiene. For any COVID-related information and guidance, contact national helpline numbers 011 2397 8046 and 1075. And state helpline number 1800-345-0019. And now the news. Union Home Minister Amit Shah said that the central government will connect all the capitals of the northeastern states with railway and air connectivity by 2023-24. The Home Minister, who arrived in Shillong today on a 2-day visit, said connectivity in the northeast states has always been the top priority of the NDA government. Shah today inaugurated several projects in Meghalaya. He inaugurated the interstate bus terminus at Mao Wyong in the outskirts of Shillong City in the presence of Donor Minister G. Kishan Reddy and Union Minister of State for Science and Technology Dr. Jitendra Singh and Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma. Shah said the ISPT will lead Meghalaya and the other northeastern states to the path of development. Shah chaired a meeting to review the operation of the Northeastern Space Application Centre, NESAC, in Omyam, Meghalaya. He said NESAC plays a key role in stimulating the overall growth of the northeastern region by using space science and technology. Shah said mapping forest gap areas, land expansion for horticulture development, rejuvenation of wetlands, and assessment of bamboo resources for livelihood needs are few among many key ideas that were discussed during the meeting. Nagaland Chief Minister Nipirio, who also participated in the NESAC meeting, expressed hope that strategies will be developed for northeastern states in using space technology tools for a sustainable economic growth and development in the region. The Union Home Minister will also chair a closed-door meeting with the Chief Ministers, the Chief Secretaries and the Police Chiefs of all the northeastern states to discuss, among other agendas, the interstate boundary issue. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has said Lord Buddha is all the more relevant in today's times of corona pandemic. He said India has shown how we can face even the most difficult challenge by following the path of Buddha. Sharing his message at the Ashata Purnima Dhamma Chakra Day program virtually this morning, Modi said the entire world is moving in solidarity following the teachings of Lord Buddha. Nagaland today reported 124 fresh COVID-19 positive cases, increasing the total tally to 27,240. Among the fresh cases, Dimapur reported 54, Kohima 37, Mogokchung 11 and Peren 10. The total recovery in the state has gone up to 24,630, with 59 recoveries reported today. Meanwhile, one more COVID death was also reported in the past 24 hours, increasing the tally to 538. India is expected to start COVID vaccination for children by September this year. Talking to a private TV channel, AIMS Director Dr. Randip Guleria said Zytus has already done the trials and they are waiting for the emergency authorization, while Bharat Biotech's Covaxin trials should be over by August or September this year, and by that time it should get an approval. Dr. Guleria added that by September India should start vaccinating children, which will be a big boost to break the chain of transmission of COVID-19. This news comes to you from All India Radio, Kohima. You can also listen to this news bulletin on our YouTube channel, AIR News Kohima. Nagaland Pradesh Congress Committee (NPCC) celebrated the 2021 Olympics opening ceremony at the State Stadium Dimapur yesterday. The program was organized to draw the attention of the government to the prolonged completion status of the state stadium. Speaking on the occasion, NPCC President K. Theriya recalled that Suro represented Jharkhand in the Olympics as Nagaland government could not support her through her training. Theriya lamented that despite neighbouring states consistently producing world-class sportsmen and women, Nagaland has unfortunately continued to struggle with the completion of the state stadium, which started over 3 decades ago. Theriya said the present Chief Minister Nyapiriyo had assured completion of the project during his time, and people have a right to expect a fulfillment of the assurance. Mogokchung Deputy Commissioner said that there will be a sensitization program on COVID-19 vaccination for all government employees under various offices at Mogokchung headquarters on 27 July from 2 p.m. onwards at the town hall. The DC directed all heads of offices to inform all unvaccinated staff of respective offices to attend the sensitization program positively. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will share his thoughts with the people in the country and abroad in a Mann Ki Baat program on All India Radio at 11 a.m. tomorrow. This will be the 79th episode of the monthly radio program. It will be broadcast on the entire network of AIR and Doordarshan and also on AIR News website www.newsonair.com and News on Air mobile app. It will also be streamed live on the YouTube channels of AIR, DD News, PMO and Information and Broadcasting Ministry. AIR will broadcast the program in regional languages immediately after the Hindi broadcast. The regional language versions will be repeated at 8 in the evening. Weightlifter Mirabai Chanu has secured the first medal for the country at Tokyo Olympics, winning the silver medal in the women's 49 kilogram category. She lifted a total 202 kilograms in clean and jerk category. Mirabai Chanu expressed happiness on winning silver medal in Tokyo Olympics for the country. Chanu dedicated a medal to the country and thanked the billion prayers of all Indians. She thanked her family, especially her mother, for her sacrifices and believing in her. In a tweet, she thanked her coach, Vijay Sharma, Ministry of Sports, SAI, IOA, WFI, the government and others for supporting her. President Ramnath Kovind has congratulated Mirabai Chanu for starting the medal tally for India in the Tokyo Olympics by winning silver medal in weightlifting. Vice President M. Venkaiah Naidu congratulated Chanu for winning silver medal and giving a fantastic start for India at the Tokyo Olympics. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has congratulated Mirabai Chanu on winning the silver medal at the Tokyo Olympics. Modi said India is elated by Soikam Mirabai Chanu's stupendous performance. The Prime Minister said her success motivates every Indian. Congratulating Mirabai Chanu, Sports Minister Anurag Singh Thakur said the country is so proud of her. Chief Minister of her home state, Manipur, N. Biren Singh, and Nagaland Chief Minister Nyapiriyo also congratulated Chanu for her achievement at the Tokyo Olympics. In tennis, India's Sumit Nagal won his first-round men's singles match against Uzbekistan's Denis Istomin, while in women's singles, Sotita Mukherjee defeated Bergstrom Linda 4-3 in first round. Indian archers Deepika Kumari and Pravin Jatav lost to South Korea's An Sun and Kim Jae-deok 6-2 in the quarterfinals. In badminton, Chirag Shetty and Ranki Reddy have defeated Li Yang and Wang Chi-lin of Taipei in a Group A men's doubles match. Shooter Saurabh Chowdhury was placed at 7th number in 10 meters air pistol finals. And now to end the news, here are the main points again. Union Home Minister Amit Shah says centre will connect all capitals of northeastern states with railway and air connectivity by 2023-24. Prime Minister Narendra Modi says India has shown that it can face even the most difficult challenge by following the path of Buddha. Nagaland reports 124 fresh COVID-19 positive cases, increasing the total tally to 27,240. And India off to a great start at Tokyo Olympics. Mirabai Chanu clinches first silver in weightlifting. That is all we have in this evening news bulletin. Good night.